नमस्कार मित्र, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण लॉंग टर्मसाठी डिलिव्हरी ट्रेडिंग करत असाल तर कंपनीचे फंडामेंटल कसे करावे याबद्दल सविस्तर माहिती पाहणार आहोत. पण त्या अगोदर आपण आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करून घ्या, जेणेकरून नवनवीन अपडेट आपल्यापर्यंत पोहोचवायला मदत होईल. धन्यवाद. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a way to avoid short-term information about company. Every day there is some news on stock. While this information may form the basis of trades, not everyone in the stock market is a trader. Many people believe in the long-term investment. They want to buy and hold a stock. Fundamental analysis help you identify attributes of companies. The process of fundamental analysis will you require to understand a bit of mathematics, business and accounting basis. Along with this, you need to have some common sense of how a company operates and industry sector and other things that you can embed from various documents. म्हणजेच काय की फंडामेंटल ॲनालिसिस हा एक लॉंग टर्म इन्फॉर्मेशनसाठीचा मार्ग आहे. खूप लोक लॉंग टर्म व विशेष ठेवून इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करत असतात. त्यांना शेअर खरेदी करून ज्या दिवशी प्रॉफिट वाढेल त्या दिवशी विकून टाकून नफा कमवायचा असतो. फंडामेंटल ॲनालिसिस हा एक ट्रेंड कंपनीचा ओळखायला मदत करतो. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला गणित आणि व्यवसाय निगडीत अकाउंटिंग जमले पाहिजे. म्हणजेच काय की कंपनीचा कारभार कसा चालतो, त्याचप्रमाणे कंपनीचे कुठले डॉक्युमेंट फंडामेंटच्या दृष्टीने महत्त्वाचे आहे हे तपासणे गरजेचे असते. Introduction of fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a common method of evaluating intrinsic value of the stock. This form of analysis combines external events and influences as well as financial statements and industry trends. Remember the intrinsic value of the stock does not change every day. To understand what is that fair value, you should take the help of fundamentals, which are what drives price up and downs. Fundamental analysis uses three sets of data. On historical data is used to know that things were earlier. This publicly known information about the company, including announcements made by the management and what others are saying about the company. Their information that is not known publicly but is useful, like as मॅनेजमेंट हँडल्स क्रायसिस सिच्युएशन एक्स्ट्रॅक्टा. म्हणजेच काय, फायनान्शियल ॲनालिसिस ही एक कंपनीचा स्टॉकचे मूल्यांकन करण्याची पद्धत आहे ज्यामध्ये फिनान्शियल स्टेटमेंट्स आणि इंडस्ट्री ट्रेंड्स महत्त्वाचा असतो. हे लक्षात ठेवणे गरजेचे आहे की कंपनीची फेअर व्हॅल्यू किंवा इंस्ट्रिक्ट व्हॅल्यू ही दररोज बदलत नसते. त्यामुळे कंपनीची फेअर व्हॅल्यू ही फंडामेंट्स. इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ फंडामेंटल ॲनालिसिस. Fundamental analysis is a common method of evaluating intrinsic value of the stock. This form of analysis how you calculate the fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis I explained earlier tell you the true value of stock, the intrinsic value of company, the present value of expected future cash inflows from that company. That is what the process of fundamental achievement. The fair value represent the potential price of a company. If the market value is the sum or lower than fair value, then you should buy a stock and wait. Use the fundamental report to get their fair value. And your report usually provide all the fundamental indicators that you want to know as an investor. As an investor doing fundamental analysis of a company, you should look at the following sections of the annual reports. Number 1, financial highlights. Number 2, management discussion and analysis. Number 3, 10 years financial highlights. Number 4, director reports. Number 5, report on corporate governance. Number 6, notices. And number 7, annexures. When you read the annual reports, you have taken a small steps in the overall process of fundamental analysis for the company. With